Go.
Hey guys, I'm Skeletron 5000 filming with JB. We're gonna do the water bottle challenge. Crap.
Okay, watch and learn.
This is impossible to land.
You ready? Dude, I can't believe I landed that other one earlier. Dude, I freaking threw it across there and it goes back down and it drops like sideways and then it goes back up.
Come on, can I make this? Thank you, Jesus.
No!
This water bottle freaking hates
You ready?
me. I swear this.
Woohoo! I made it! No!
What's the master do it? This is the art of awesomeness. Yeah!
Well, there it goes. Well, fellas, I hope you liked the water bottle challenge. And yeah, that was a good experience for us. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, leave a comment and.
Hey, subscribe to Skeletron 5000.
Yeah,
Please.
you heard him. Okay. Peace, guys.